for life. Burn it down to the ground. Whatever the first time I watch channel, subscribe, like and share. Take what you take and go do what you do. Is it? So watch a movie and tell me what you think. Let's go. Jamaican Studios. Curious King.
Give me like a time now. No.
Word of advice.
Never give up, never give up. Never give up, never give up. You can try again. You can try again. Never give up, never give up. No, never give up, never give up. No. Even when the world is closing door, and even when things is getting worse than it was before, even when the bills man come knocking at your door, even when the burden gets so heavy, feel like you just can't walk no more, I'm here whispering in your ears and saying, never give up, never give up, never give in. No. Never give up, never give in. 'Cause you can try again. You can try again. You plant the seed, them and now it come rain. Life is so great, why you sit aside and you complain? Seems like something is wrong with your brain. Life is what it is, yes, and I can't apologize for all the things they did. That's in the past, that's in the past. And if you run a race and you're not focused, you know you're gonna come last.
Girl, where's something there? Give me man. I want this spongy look for.
You know the day.
Look for it.
You know
Look
the
for
day.
it. Look for it. Look for it. Look for. And this one of my that's because I look a bit of year one day, so. put it in.
Miss Thing, what wrong with you? What wrong with you? You tired? Tired of what? Huh? What are you tired of? Talk to me. If you don't talk to me, I can't understand what's going on. I'm not mind reading. I know what's going inside of your head.
I'm just tired of service, that's all.
And the kitchen is like this. You know something like wake up to no dirty kitchen. When I got my bed, the kitchen always clean. Get up here, man, with your lazy self and come clean the kitchen. Get up, man. You're too lazy. I don't like my house to stay dirty. And you still don't tell me say you're tired. You don't do nothing from one. But get up on your mouth long like Miss Bertha Donkey. Come on, man. You need to do better than this. Sure. Every morning you get a piece of your mouth because you not clean up the place. You and your sister lazy. And you feel say me love her more than you, but the two of them lazy. Look on the kitchen. Before I go on my bed last time, before I come from prayer meeting, I say, clean up the kitchen. Wake up this morning, the kitchen still dirty. We can't deal with the two of them, you know. Can't, might as well make me put it out and live by myself. From the father, I'm gone. I pay a problem here. I can't talk no more. Every time I talk, nobody no want to listen to me. I'm not getting on my nerves, man. We not send up my pressure. We not send up everything in my body. We not send up high. I'm not going to kill me after 4 times.
Mommy! Mommy! She must play up, mommy! Emily must play up, mommy!
What she must play it for?
Cause she don't want to watch she play at them. She said, she just whispered to me and say, I buy there for wash them. And I try to tell her to wash them and she don't want to wash them. She must play up, mommy.
Me a lie, me never mash no plate. I eat mashy.
And you?
Look how young me there, sir, mash.
Who break the plate?
A Kiki do it, man. Me there, sir, wash it plate, man, he mashy sitting. Me a Kiki mashy plate.
Who burn the kiss or lie?
And I'm living true, mommy.
Mommy, she'll get cut pan her hand, mommy, and she must play cause her finger cut, mommy.
Mommy, I went there washing knife.
Your finger cut and you through your job, you break your plate, your finger cut.
Jesus God,
See there, see there.
My favorite is a set, you know. It's a set me get on my wedding gift that when me married to my father. And you break my plate? Why you break my plate? Because you don't want to wash the dishes them. Little girl will make you so lie. Will make you so lie, little girl. You tell me stop liar. If you stop lying, no good. God don't like a liar. Tell the truth. And your sister broke. Are you broke because you don't want to clean up the kitchen?
And I thought about my day to wash plate.
Are you nice plate? It's a set. It's a set me get on the married to my father. Why you break my plate because you don't want to wash the dishes them? Look, girl, you don't want to do nothing. Every time I tell you to do something, this is what you do. You broke something or you lie.
So me say she a ball there, a wicked alone ball when they do something.
You didn't even say if you stop lying.
Wicked
God
alone
don't like
there,
you know
there
what?
you are wicked.
Go for the bed,
Me
come
a go
give me.
far.
Go for the bed, come give me. Me tired of you. Me tired of you and your problem every day. We help cleaning up the kitchen, help cleaning up the...
See Betty, mommy, cause wicked cry. She do for wanna cry.
Me tired of talk to you. Me tired.
Mommy, no, me never
Since your
mash
father
plate
gone
before.
to America, this is what you keep doing. I mean, I like it. Why you do it? You do it all the time. I know the first time you do it. I know the first time you do it. Tired of you, man.
Oh, mama, me not be telling her
You're too lazy. Because you don't want to do it. That's why. You're too lazy.
Don't watch me TV.
Kiki, babe, no make
Don't
it something
call me.
play.
No, watch.
You see, I make mama beat me for something I need to do. I mash
You
mama
get
plate and I need to do.
Are you?
What me deal?
I'll make you like a little plate match. I like you.
Then wash up.
Kitchen clean,
Yeah.
stove wipe down, counter wipe down, floor clean.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to make some breakfast. Eggs is there, sausage is there. Last one, Milo, make me a nice breakfast with your sister.
Oh, mommy, she can't make breakfast for herself.
Don't give me no back shot, just do me telephone. Who's the mother here? Me or you? Okay then, so just be obedient and have manners. Come out of my room and go make breakfast. I'll hurry up too. I'm hungry.
I'm just running around doing. I'm learning my life.
So where father, you bring breakfast come, you don't bring no
We're
fork.
going to bring in bread and something.
Alright, we'll bring the bread and the fork and the flask up.
Alright.
Milo. Oh boy, another day, another day.
Mommy, I got that ice cream. My favorite made it come from school.
Don't want Miss James.
Yeah.
Hurry up and come back in there.
Yes, mommy.
Hurry up. Don't let me spit and it dry up, you know. I want to reach back in here.
Which one are you flinging?
People that can't
Look
fling
at you,
after you.
no size.
Me
You
don't
no
fling-
fling stone
me
after
don't
me.
no fling after you.
No stone.
People that can dip on their outside so and fling it after you.
Yeah, see, man, I
Alright.
Move for you, so. And somebody else look, don't touch me. And somebody else look, 50 right pan. What's like how me not get my ice cream?
You say me I got tell mommy I should go over. Suppose you put me in a bag.
Are you? I'm gonna tell mommy for you because you do it. I'm gonna go chat.
Oh, if it be me, and then you fling a stone off a woman.
No.
And you do it.
No.
You know how you do it.
I tell mommy for what?
You see you so alive.
You see your two girl picnic where you have, none of them no got no manners. Imagine me I walk on the road and one of you picking them fling all it. Me I don't not even know which one of them fling all it. But you see, if you don't put them in a hand, me and them are go in a things they hear. Just I come warn you.
Listen, kids will get you in trouble, you know. You teach them good, you bring them up right, and them still disobey you and disrespectful. But you're sure it's one of my kids them? You sure?
If I feel picnic them. Now you look a short black one and the tall brown one. Them same one.
Yeah, Mike.
One of them fling all at me.
No, Jesus. Alright, don't worry yourself. Let's talk to you.
I don't want me and have nothing because a long time me and your friend,
Miss
you know.
Brown, a long time we are friends, so we make sure that we're not supposed to end up over children. You understand? So me, you know me steering. Me definitely gonna talk to when them come in. I don't know if because they're not listening, you know. No matter how you talk to kids always go behind your back and go do things. Don't worry yourself, man. That was straight.
Alright. I'm done the road, me I go get something. So later.
Alright, Miss Brown, walk
Yeah.
over. Alright, later. When I catch them 2 kids this, when I finish with them, I'm going.
Mommy, when you come out and shop, one lady did a pass and she fling a fine lady and lick lady and make a lady bully me.
Mommy no go so lie my tail pan.
She make a lady and say, which one now? I'm telling lady say I know me. And then she still in my face and cuss me and she fling a stone at fine lady and tell me about how the lady passed me and the lady did the same to me and the lady about me. Miss fling a stone after a lady. And I tell me about me not to tell mommy because I'm mommy friend and the lady pass and not even say nothing to you and I'm mommy
Miss Brown?
friend. Yes, mommy. And she fling it to her apart. And me tell her, say, lady, a big woman, you know, to do that. And she said she don't care about no age. Age is just a number.
We fling this one for the woman.
Mommy never fling his stone a lie my tail. Him fling his stone on my back.
But whether you or her, why wouldn't you still do that? I'm a friend, I'm a church sister, me and she got the same church. So why wouldn't you fling this one for the woman? If there's a problem, I'm talking. If there's a problem with you now, Miss Brown, you come to me and talk to me. As the mother and as a grown-up.
Are you flinging
you don't throw no
stone?
stone off of the lady. That's not right.
See, think can't even look for your mommy.
Because you are tell lie pan.
Are you flinging? No. Are you? You can't ask the lady down and talk.
Right now, we just check her pressure and the pressure gone up sky high. Look how now I'm giving too much trouble. We can't take the talking every day. We don't know the same thing. We don't know. When it's not in the house and we don't want to keep the house clean, how long people in the street. Understand the reason? No?
And she, you know, so when she did there, her daddy, and me did there, nobody need to make no complaint about me until she come. And she do it, mommy.
Mommy never do no.
Go in the house and you don't add me to talk on the back.
Hey, mommy, you're not doing it.
Mommy, you see my give me
Don't tell no lie for me.
Because every day is something with you. Every day is something with you.
Mommy beat her,
And no
mommy.
matter shut him up behind. Tell my friend. Tell my friend.
Mommy beat her.
I'm the mother, you know.
A big woman.
They say I'm
And she
the
a
mother.
beat me.
Quiet, because I'm the mother here.
Emily,
Every
you're
day
rude.
I trouble with you.
Emily, you're
Every
rude.
day. Me I say I talk.
Mommy look where
You're
my
24/7.
Me
7
a
days a week. 365 days in the year. 12 months in the year.
You're rude.
Me I say I talk to you. Say behave yourself.
No, mommy, I
Respect
never
grown
been
people.
Lotion me food.
Take your lotion.
Lotion me food. Me I tell life.
Alright.
So tomorrow your birthday, what you gonna do?
Mommy, this saying go buy one bicycle for me. We
No.
go in a school.
Any bicycle come here and feed me. Remember feed me mother. She just adopt you.
Because tomorrow for my birthday, so you forget it.
You
You
know,
know, go, you can't ask
tomorrow I feel and the next day I mine. But anyhow, mommy buy you no bicycle, I feel my own.
So tell her if you buy one, no like coffee, you wanna come before we can't have one.
You not forget no bicycle from my mother. Lotion me food.
Mommy, do you say if me do good in a school, should I buy me bicycle, you know?
Come last in my class. But as me say, I feel my mother. And if she buy no bicycle come here, I feel me own. And me I go take you and me mash you up. And tab up it tire them.
Oh, if you do that and mommy say me do good, you know how long me or hard me study if you get good grades just if she buy
Me bad mind. My mother.
Oh, if you bad mind. If someone make you not do good in a school too.
Where's anything get a mine? Lotion me next one.
And you're not.
You know what? Me I go to mom because she did promise me a bicycle first.
Me a go on there.
No. Mommy!
Yeah.
Don't say when... You remember when I did tell me say me do good in a class, this time you go buy me one bicycle for my birthday?
You're on the tough right now. You have to go wait. You have to go. Hold on 1 second, I'm talking. I keep telling when I'm talking, don't butt in. You must learn if you have manners. When we get the money, but me not have the money, you know. Money cannot suffer.
You don't get no bicycle from me mother. It's me I go tab up it tired him.
Why you want saying that?
Mommy, cause we in a room and she a show off for me. And me tell her say you're my mother. She just adopted. You just sorry for her and pick her up.
But you know for that. Even if I saw you know for do that. That's
She
not
not
nice.
show off for me.
That's not nice. You know for say that. Why, so you think she go feel when you say that to her? Would you like nobody say that to you?
But me not
So,
adopt.
I know you are not adopted. You are my biological picking. But what may I say? If you were on the other side, on the other foot, the other shoe, the other left foot, how would you feel?
Me don't know what I mean.
But me can't afford it now. Honestly, me not have no money. What bills in the house have to be paid. So you have to wait until me clear up some of the building because your father don't send me no money. Me have to wait. When he send me the money, then me see what me can do.
Mommy, she not forget no bicycle. Cause she dey show off for me. And she know your picnic, she adopted.
But even so, you not tell her that. You not tell her so she adopted.
She a show off for
And she
me.
go feel bad if you tell her that. Would you like anybody do that to you? No. So not do it to her.
She a show off for me. No buy her no bicycle.
So what for now?
No, me not show off on him. I go round there so sit down and talk and me tell him. Remember say my birthday I come up, so me say me go buy one bicycle for me for my birthday. She said
But you shouldn't say nothing to her. 'Cause you know
Mommy,
you shouldn't say you shall hold on, keep that. That's between me and you. You shouldn't say nothing.
Mommy, me tell her say for her birthday tomorrow Thursday and my birthday at next day Friday. And she say she put up her tongue in my face and say, "Babe, mommy a buy me bicycle and you not getting none." And me say, "Mommy can't buy a bicycle and not buy me none." And she say because she come first in her class and she trouble me say me come laugh.
Since you get your license, I'm going to buy you one car. Didn't I tell you that? So out of the bicycle and the car, which one more expensive? Out of the bicycle and the car, which one look more better? Out of the bicycle and the car, which one better? Tell me.
The car.
Alright then, so shut your mouth.
You get car.
The argument done.
You get bicycle and you only get no can do with that.
The argument done.
Watch him. You too lie, man. Every time you tell lie for me. I mean, he would do nothing.
Who is this from?
Emily.
Oh, you bought something for Emily. Yeah, tomorrow birthday.
Surprise.
Alright, so me gonna hide it, so she won't sit until tomorrow. She can
Yeah.
Alright. So what you doing?
Alright, you know, just here.
And the family alright? That's good.
So should I move and talk to her?
She's supposed to know they got the menu. She gotta look one back. You don't know what them back there though.
Alright,
Let me know back room.
Alright,
Alright, I'm gonna put this up. I don't want her to see it.
Alright. Come here. Where's the puzzle? Where's the puzzle? Then I had to do a man.
I'm saying 90 today.
Come on, talk to you. Sit down. Oh. Alright. Alright. Mommy. Said look all look for you, so you said I call look for you. Yeah. What she do? Mommy alright man, then me see auntie. That's all. But yes, some come home. Now you say, mommy just not up on your foot. No, come on, Chuchu. Come on, me can't bother. Can't bother you up. They don't like me. What do you mean by they don't like you? Auntie Joy, you one nice lady. Even guy, my sister no like me, I was a tell lie upon me. Yeah. I say you go good jealous in jealous through mommy try favor her to take care in her something. I can't mind, cause every time if you do something I mean you want to do it. And he always a trouble me and I tell be a lie upon me. See other day when you go buy ice cream, you know. You only go out woman we go and school and come back and tell mama say I don't know me. I may get next week. But I think I make you. I'm not supposed to do that. Anyway, maybe I try to get a lie and try own and pity him I go believe in pity, but just go and bear a little longer. So comfy man, now yourself. I mean now you sit down and say if you say nobody not like you. I told mommy just could man did so much pity. Making the Africa give you. Remember your last one now? And when time you have one heap of them already, you know. So you know where to put a St. Just. But I work on summer face there. Because we have built one next part of the house up there. So as soon as it's done, you will come home. Now you say, when I go there so too long. So when you left and go, I go see who she go take step and I'll tell life on. Now yourself, just go and be a little bit more for me. Will you carry something for me? Remember say tomorrow my birthday?
We know so tomorrow your birthday, but you will get a gift. Now yourself, man. You know so that's something.
I'm sorry we can't see it for my birthday tomorrow.
I'm going to ask her no go. I'm going to work. I'm going to want to like you to come over there. Just go and go on over. I'm going to go.
Unamused face, red heart, face with tears of joy. What's up with you?
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy,
What happened?
she still doing in her bed asleep and be a flyer take a plate them in her kitchen.
Where is she?
She don't run there asleep. And mommy me a wake her and she not get up.
Tell him someone get up now.
Me wake her, mommy, come wake her.
Alright, then come. I dream now. So me get one heap of money.
Mommy, come wake her and make she come clean up your place.
Now come. Oh Lord.
See her here, mommy, she asleep and she not get up out of me bed.
Get up the kitchen and for clean up. Get up now. The place is dirty. You have to get up and go clean up the kitchen. Wake up. You know what time is it in the morning at 9 o'clock in the morning? Get up and clean up the kitchen.
I'm not remember today.
Me say go
birthday,
clean.
I'm tired.
Yes, the kitchen still have to clean.
Mommy, Kiki not do it. Look how early.
Kiki just
Don't
come
call
back.
me.
Kiki just
And
come back.
today I'm a birthday.
Kiki just come back from the supermarket. Yeah, your birthday, so you have to clean up. People will come over
You
and
have to
stuff
clean
like
up your place.
that. People will come over and everything. Go clean the
Lazy
place.
birthday, girl.
Go clean the kitchen. Make sure so everything that the cabinets and wipe down. Get some bleach and one pan of water. Wipe on the cabinets.
And wash out the clothes them and film me them too.
Let me tell you something. Me attack you to talk.
Mommy, I see my kick me.
No.
Me tell you something. Me attack. You not fit talk. I'm the mother here. You feel have manners.
Mommy love you.
Ah, you get too much trouble, man. I'm so sure to come in here. No water running in the kitchen. No water at all now. Come on, man. Start. Fill up the thing of water and put some soap on the dish, man. Make sure the counter wipe them. Wipe off the floor. Sweep the floor. Make sure the kitchen is spotless.
Yeah, me mad.
You're too lazy.
Good sleep me there. Today I'm a birthday. I expect to get me to rest and I have to wait me to come like I'm trying to come wash plates.
Oh, this is sitting here open. You're not going to see where it's supposed to be open. Alright, I think I'm from this side. I want to see what in there. Then bring come here. This got a lot of gift in there. She don't deserve it. She too lazy. She's a lazy little girl. She don't want to do nothing. Every time you tell her to do something, she'll look up her mouth like Miss Bertha Donkey. So we want to see what in there. Come let me need a knife. Here.
Mama,
Only for juice.
Mama, you don't know she played this because I don't hear.
Go on, so. She got juice. What? Holy for things. Okay. She can get this. Then the son come get my picking. So then selfish and turn down. And then I share it. Now I get nothing more to that. Everything in the fish and she then I said not going to keep it. Alright. Little girl, you finished washing plate? You finished cleaning the kitchen?
Yes, Mama.
Happy birthday, here. Here. That's your birthday gift.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. Where you get it from?
My drink some water.
I'm going to go drink the water. The kitchen roll this up.
Bravo! When you go to make a text some, I ask you for some. You might make it. From a time. Stop it. You. Come on, Mommy! Mommy!
I'm in the bathroom. Can you give me a second, please?
Real good. Let's get that back. Take your foot off of me. Get up today, not today birthday. Watch him. I will tell Mama to become with you. Mommy!
Come, the door lock. Open and come.
Mommy,
Yeah.
you see, me myself want for my birthday and make me get me up early to come wash plate and keep long in my bed.
Our birthday, make she sleep. Our birthday, make she sleep. It's her birthday today. Make she relax herself. Alright?
I mean, I understand how you deal with me, son. There's so much things me do for you as a mother, and you know my real mother. You see, I see she run there, so you don't do nothing for you. You see, same thing where you deal with good, I same one go bring her to shame. Watch.
Don't say that. Grandmother always say, people won't come like goat. Don't put your mouth on my daughter. If anything bad happen, always try to say something that's good, alright? Make sure relax. Understand? That's my daughter. You have to help inside. She is my daughter, my biological child. I took care of her for 9 months, so you can't say that. My daughter always gonna put me first, alright? So don't say that. When you are spoken to, you just do what you're supposed to do and stop the word for argument. Kind of makes sense.
I could have done me hard, you know. Even suffer or no suffer. I could have done me hard that alright. Down for up here, so you take me in and I treat me bad.
You feel so treat you bad. Because while you're here, you learn to do things that when you Go out upon your own, you know, for cook, you know, for wash, you know, for clean and iron, and how to keep a house and be a wife material. So, you're learning how to do things properly. So, don't say that. That's not nice.
Alright, now go back to my room.
Go on, go back in your room. Kiki! Kiki!
Mommy,
Wake up. Happy birthday to you.
thank you, mommy.
Here, this is your gift.
Thank you.
See all my bike here. You always tell me say you like those.
So, mommy, oh, you buy her someone sitting on only buy. So, mommy, oh, you buy her someone sitting on only buy one chips and juice to me.
Let me ask you a question. If you have a dog and your neighbor have a dog
Here.
and you feed them, which one you gonna feed more? Which one you gonna treat better? May I talk to you? If you have a dog in your yard and your neighbor have a dog too and you love to feed them, which one you gonna feed more? The one of your yard, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so I don't need to say that
No,
more.
if there's a neighbor dog.
Neighbor dog. 'Cause
Why
you have to treat others as you treat or you want people to treat you. Tell me that.
Who tell you so? You gotta treat your dog better because I'm in a fear yard.
The Lord says to do unto others as you want people to do unto you.
Which part you see that in the Bible?
The Bible.
Which part you see? So me I read the Bible and I see it. Or me not sit in the Bible. You know one thing, you love to watch things so much and you need to stop that. You watch everything Kiki get. You watch everything that Kiki get. You have to remember that Kiki is my daughter. Me carry Kiki for 9 months.
You watch it too much.
You watch it. You see everything and the right thing we have to see you not see it.
Watch it.
You can't do that. You
Give me
there?
back me biscuit.
You learn how to cook, you learn how to wash and clean and iron and keep the house clean and tidy. So when you're gone on your own, you'll be a wife, good wife material. No man can't beat you and say you can't do nothing. Because you learn. And you're going to learn if you appreciate me and thank me. So I'm going to teach you how to cook, how to keep the house clean. Alright. So, that's that. Kiki, you know, tell me thanks. You know,
Thank you,
the manners.
mommy. You did that talk, mommy.
Okay. You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
You're welcome. Alright, now I'm going to move and go lie down.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to leave the meal on the room.
Love you, mommy.
I love you too, my darling.
And so when me get rich, I'm gonna buy one big house and a big car. Mommy, remember me turn 17, me a big woman now.
We want a big mansion with a pool in the back and a pool inside.
I want to pull up on the house top for you.
Yeah.
I want something over it.
So the neighbor that can see how me and live
yes,
large.
me mother. Love you large.
Alright, so. You know say how to do it, my daughter.
Aye.
You know say you're good, girl. No, 'cause she's not.
Yeah, good morning. Well, fire, you know what I mean, from America. This is my era. I grew up in this era, but I think it's too shit. What's your name? Kiki. Your name? Emily. Kiki, Emily. So how things in Jamaica now? You are now just coming at the era, but me I look for like two young ladies. No, me have one already. So me I look for one next young lady. to send overseas for one program. Go to college sing. You know what I mean? A scholarship me I try to give away. Yeah, so come on, kind of further the Jamaican thing. Cause I realize I watch the news and Jamaica is getting bad and worse. So we say we could help a hand, like even help to somebody to go to college, maybe at the end of the day they can come up and help two and the multiply and continue. So there's a legacy man start off, you know, each one help one. You know what I mean? So I don't know if none of you would want to go overseas. No matter if you don't know visa or anything, they have a link, everything I go through. So overseas, I go to college, you know, I live with me, I live at the college place, everything I pay for. You stay right at the school, you have boarding there, and from that and that. So where are your parents? What are the parents?
She named Miss Jai, she lives over there, so.
Hi.
Two have the same.
You two have the same mother?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright then, let me talk to Miss Jai and hear what she's doing and so I can go and interesting but one on the can go. You know what I mean? Alright, so we should know what I want to go. Your mother has to go this side then. Because we can, you know, so come, you can show me no mother. Where she live? When you go talk to her?
Mommy!
I'm not gonna love talk so much.
Mommy!
Yeah.
One gentleman outside, we see him down the road. He said he on fire. He said well, he want to go foreign for go college.
Which one
I
are
want
He
scholarship.
said you to tell me which one are we.
When then?
He said I want
Outside.
Then tell him to come in so we can talk to him now.
But mommy in our bathroom.
You can come at the door and we hear me.
Alright.
Let's talk.
He said which one are we can carry.
Then if you carry you because you are the older one and you will go and you know, finish up in a home or you go skylark. What do we have to do?
Alright.
Do.
Alright, mommy.
Alright. So come out here.
Yes, mommy.
So mommy, how come you never come contact to him man first? You just choose Kiki.
But me not the shower. I'm talking to me in the shower. Unless you want
She
to
said me a bigger one.
You want to wait till we come out?
No, mommy.
We don't have no time.
She in the shower. So she never come out with the car. She said you have to carry all this one.
What all this one?
Me.
Alright, so we go want you fill out some paperwork. I go for your paperwork and you fill out it and then we can file it, make everything can start go through. You know the ID?
Yeah.
Alright, so you want a picture of that. Alright? So you want to go video like that. Alright?
Kiki, does mama go now? You can't stay with mama, you know, because mama said to her.
Mommy fit and me to cook.
You both it all of each other. I don't know like me, just make me go on. You'd have better have food. I'm not going there to take nothing from you. Please, no, Kiki.
Me know why you're remote.
Please, no. You know I stay down here. Because it all me can't agree. When mommy cannot just stay with mama.
Well,
We
yeah.
all love each other, you know. Which yard?
You're not uncle. And me mommy friend.
You see, I'm with them.
Alright, so with that in there, so now, well, the one thing now is to take the picture of the ID, they carry back home. No, watch out! My record. Alright, and the next part. Alright, so I have that. So that would know. So when we go to now, we go to the processing and something there, you go send off very quickly. Yeah, apart from that now, work on the road and now go straight now though. So it's nice meeting you again, Kiki. Emily, next time we come back, a your time. So we can send her this time and next time we come back to Jamaica a your time. So anyway. We'll go over something. 2 for you and 2 for you. You know what I mean? Your mother this. Yeah man, so that go. That look a bit small. We give mother and that. This is a feeling, remember. Put one side. That's a feeling, that's a feeling mother. So we come back home when people them fall through, I come back. Alright? So we have a busy day and when I send you over there, you do not run off. Because you don't want to run off. If you're the virgin natty, but I get a check and feels if you. But since you're not running, you go and learning. So you learn and you understand, you go over there, then you will get your green card. When you get the green card, you can work and come back and forth. You're no longer a slave here. I was a slave here and I work myself out and be the slave. So I expect you to do the same. So just do it. That means the next day you can come back for your sister if I don't come back. You come back and care them. You can't care if your mother go. After a while you just get a good job, you buy a house, you file for them. And you live happily ever after. Like a fairy tale. Alright? So nice meeting you again.
Let me get it now. Yo,
The man give you money.
which man? Fire?
Yeah, I need to give you this.
How much money? 10,000? Okay.
I didn't give you this.
For the 12? Oh, that's for you.
Yeah.
And that's for she. Ah, give me your money, when you're ready, you come to the
I'm
feet.
going to spend my money.
Where you go buy?
I'm going to buy something.
Alright, go on. You want to follow her go to the store?
Yeah, I'm going.
You don't want her to come with you?
But I forgot you.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Shut up. Alright. If you're ready, you come to me for the money, you hear? See the money, yeah? The money I fee and
Mommy.
yeah.
Money where did you get from the other day? Me can get it, please.
What you gonna do with the money? Food in here. Personal needs in here. Everything is in here. What you want money for?
Me did want to buy some stuff.
What kind of stuff you gonna buy?
Girl stuff.
Huh?
Girl stuff.
But personal needs in here, if you're looking at the closet, you see personal needs. My Bible person.
Better for Kiki and she said me not to use it.
Kiki tell us not to touch it.
You never tell her that, mommy.
Kiki can't tell you that.
Never tell her that she lie for me.
Me not tell no lie. That's
Why
all
you
I
so
did.
lie? Why you won't stop lie?
Me not tell no
You see
lie.
people lie, they with thief, you know? Liar and thief walk together, them related, them a cousin. They're blood related. You have to stop lying. Tell the truth. Then me can't understand you. But when you keep lying to me and I tell me all kind of bag of fish and she has said something is different, it can't work.
I never tell her she can't, she lie.
You see this money? Kiki, if you get 1,500 and you get 5.
Mommy, what me no Kiki forget 15 no tight and she get fear
Because
already.
Kiki is the older one. She's older, so I'm going to give her the money. She's going to go to the store, get the change, go with her, and she will get 5 out of here. And you, alright, I'm going to give Kiki this. Kiki, and your follower go to the bank. Kiki get the change from the bank. You take 15 and give her 5.
Mommy, me not understand how
Follow
Kiki I
her.
get for the
Listen,
money.
let me tell you all the
Me
time.
can't but then every
Me
time
the mother,
me get
I'm the
something-
mother
Hey,
in
don't
here.
talk to me, mother. son.
Don't
I'm
pass
the
it
mother
on
in
me.
here. I'm the
Every
mother
time
in
me get sin now, it's a
Shut
tricky
up.
friend.
I am the mother in here. Whatever I say goes. I'm the boss. And me I run the ship. I'm the captain of the ship. Alright? So me know why you know what I'm talking. Alright, it's done.
Me can't but that's why me not like him. Me like none of down because I will not treat me.
I feel like because they want this and do.
Me I deserve none of this. Me I do nothing to deserve what I do to me.
I am the one that.
Anything at all I ask me to do with me. And I me get the least of everything. Me never get nothing
The
yet.
ball is in my court. You don't tell me what to do. You are the child.
Me never.
Morning.
Yeah, but
I'm the mother. Me and the mother. They said the argument done.
treat her better
The
than
argument
you
done.
Good morning. What's going on?
Yes, darling.
What do you know? What do you know? I'm not supposed to early man, you know. What
No,
going on?
this girl coming like she want rude, but she want to tell me to do. Me and the husband. I'm the mother here, and she want tell me to do. That can't work.
Me not try to tell her what to do.
That's what you're trying to do.
No, but you have to make things equal between the two of we, mommy. You
Say
can't make this unfair.
Say not equal.
No, she get fair already.
She is the older one. I share the older one. She older than you. You understand?
Yeah, but that's still unfair if you
No.
take my things and make
You don't have to tell me I share equal.
Well, because we are pass through, because I get the paperwork some line up and things. Oh, what problem? What problem?
She get fair money already. Me go to mama for my money because she not share nothing with me. Me want to get some stuff.
She lie.
Me not tell
She
no
lie
lie.
a lot.
Oh, the money when we get yesterday attack?
You
Yes,
can't
she
know
take
when she
care.
talk
She
the
give
truth.
her. She only give me $500 all time, and she don't spend her fair money already.
That's not fair, man. I'm going to give you two. So you can take care of your two.
Yes.
I mean, you run the track there, that's me. You hear the track there. So anything me say goes. Anything I say, it goes. I'm the mother here. I'm the boss.
Alright, so I pass through my line of the things them and things. Let me talk to you for a minute. Young man, let me give back her money.
Too early in the morning, they are trying to clean the house and you come and argue with me over money. You could go sit down here, man. Or sit down. I'm here.
Not really.
Me can't better feel it with them. I feel like we run away. From my little thing, so she take me up. Because she's not really my real mother.
Oh, it's not a real mother?
No, because my mother has something that she can't really take care of well.
Yeah.
So she take me and I take care of me. Even though she feed me and things, me do everything. Me get up, me have to do everything. Kiki now do nothing. All she do is provoke me and tell lie upon me.
And I was,
trouble.
because me just said, me the one carry one on go foreign. Boy, she said to carry Kiki, because I have an opportunity to enroll one young lady in our college program. You know what I mean? So they can better themselves. You know what I mean? So, alright. Based upon the observation, I was really going. Because I come in the morning to get Kiki, the paperwork and do something. What am I going to do? You have been mad if you look after him. We go give the opportunity to go foreign then. So you can further education over the easier than Jamaica. You can get to work after you're done school and so, and you can help your real family then. Because them did it like a servant. Because I've been there, you know. I've been there already. You know what I mean? When I was young, some people adapt me. That wasn't so cool. They have me I do all sorts of work. And them, you know, so I can relate to what you're saying. But as somebody good, Samaritan pass through and bust me, give me a link and we make it so I come back here and say more help back. You know, if you want somebody, can have a link, you know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel the program for Kiki and then file it for you. Alright?
Really?
Yeah, man.
I
No.
really love to do that because I really like to take care of my mother.
Oh, yourself. Them take a little bit from you. Only I get two for yourself. Don't give them it. Don't show them say have it. Right? Show them say have it. You put it down. Take your time, pinch off it. It's a swift program. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We go get a farm, bring it to you today, it's full out it, and then we just send it go over there, go deal with it, and then
When I can't come, don't make them know.
don't me now make them know where we're going because I realize how them are really bad. Alright?
Alright.
Don't worry yourself, man. For you, I got you.
sir.
Alright? Yeah, man. Alright.
I told me to get myself.
Every time me and you go from me, I always take long to get there. Anyway, where you want to drink?
Red Bull.
No.
Yeah. You want coffee?
Alright. Alright, so I think put some rum in it. I know you like them.
Yeah, thanks.
Did you eat already and everything?
Yeah. So we want to feel for the
Yeah, just the rum board and I say, I want to see if I'm just go now. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to get the phone call, I'm just looking at your face and talk.
Oh, you're good to know. Just sit down with us.
So we can talk about anything. I don't know what to talk about.
We are feeling nice future.
Nice future, I play a whole heap of things with it. I pray for me. We have a business. I pray for make we have a youth together, but at this time, we have to take our time and work on all of them stuff. To know where yourself, everything go good.
You have no question you want to ask me? Or anything you want to do?
Well, every time I see you, I always remember about the first time I meet you. That day was amazing. You know what I do.
I don't know. When I feel like I have nothing to say. And you see when I face to face, I don't know, I'm speechless. I just feel it.
Try, man. You say that. When last time you meet?
You know how long time I go beach with me? You have to make it.
You know about this?
Yeah.
We can stop in a town and get ice cream and stuff. First, you eat already?
You can have something.
Come on then.
Yeah, Johnny?
Me say you don't do it with that boy, you know. I tell you, said leave that boy alone.
Love him.
Yeah. What can he do for you? Do you have a job? Is he working?
Even 3 times for a week. And you don't know what you can do for him. Mommy, sometimes I have to give people chances in life. And I love him, mommy. I don't know, but I love him and I feel like say, I want me and him for there. Because I love him, mommy.
He is not going to be my son-in-law. And I don't talk. I have nothing more to say. I don't talk. Finito. You could have kissed your teeth. Look on I don't care. Don't have nothing to do.
What kind of bad news I say?
Sorry if it takes so long. I told me to talk to my mother.
What kind of bad news I say?
This can't go right no more. Because my mother don't want me if it's all. Like, she don't want me there. So I don't think it can work no more.
What do you mean
Sorry
this
about
can't
that.
work no more?
Mama may have a hard time with me because she don't want me and her to be together. So. I don't know what else to say.
Can I ask you one question?
Any question I have?
You love me?
Of course I do.
You're willing to make this work out between the both of us?
Yeah. I
So
will.
if I am mother, I should probably why not just get rid of your mother?
You want me to get rid of my mother?
That I just said. If you say you love me and you're willing to make the two of us work out together and reach far and say you can't come live in with me, we'll take this thing serious. Get rid of her then.
Good idea.
Because if you love me and your mother will go to me and tell you.
Alright. Now go over here and you call me.
Alright. But I take me for you that, innit?
I'm not taking for the idiot.
I remember.
I'm love her for 2 years.
Remember, if you left me, I got a problem.
Now go over here. Now go over here and call me. Later. Mommy!
Come here. I don't feel too good. Get me a cool glass of water. I don't feel too good. My head hurt and my eye bother me. Get me some water.
Alright, mommy.
Kiki.
Cuma lebih buah ini. Kamu belum mana tuh? Kayaknya kok.
Here, the water cool enough?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
cool.
yeah, kind of something like nothing too hot.
Yeah.
This one feel cool enough, but it's alright. Thank you.
Thank you, mommy.
God. We need the water, man. My belly. Ooh, my belly. My belly may fall lay down. My belly hurt. Oh, God. Ah.
Yes. Then I know if you call me back and me tell us me I sit and talk to you about. Anyway, me I say is right. Me go down a country and figure look for my sister. Understand? And when me go down there, me not hear nobody. So me I say, how today, a Sunday, and nobody done for their yard. They must go to church then. Then me hear TV play in their house loud. So me I say, no, so they now go and left the TV play so loud in their house. They would rather turn off because the TV in light, you understand? Anyways, put that aside. Me go push the door and go in now. So the woman me see lie down on him belly on the bed asleep. Yeah, Mama Jai. So that I think she asleep still, you know. So me go there now and me a rock her, me a call her, me a push her, and me a say, Mama Jai, wake up, Mama Jai, wait here. Mama Jai, wake up. But Emily, they made the wake him up and me say, now wake up. So me I say, what? So me hurry up and call the ambulance now, and the ambulance come for her because it's like she knock out her something, you know. When the ambulance come for her now, we go down to the hospital now. We go down there with her in the ambulance because they didn't need somebody to go with her. So me go with her because me never see Kiki nor me not see Emily. So me I wonder where they in there. Anyway, I go down to the hospital with her. All the final say doctor couldn't go tell me say she get poison. Yeah, she get poison. I wonder how she get poison. Anyway, I put story aside now. After she get poison and thing, weeks pass now and she come out of the hospital. Only if you find out say and your daughter poisoning. Yeah, then lock up him backside. Right now they're in a prison. Well, as come to Mama Jai now, he say Emily they are foreign. Me even know say Emily they are foreign, but Mama Jai tell me say, well left her down there and she not tell no lie, then cheat her bad. Yeah, so one man they come and give her one some scholarship business in a college overseas and to better her life and whatever, and she take it. I'm glad so she take it. Else you would hear the little girl Kiki tell life on him say him pies Mama Jai. I'm glad so she take it. But she soon come out now. Me just can't wait for she come out. Cause I almost 2 to 3 years now. She over there for. Just keep me number man and me here. One time she come cause when she come now, she have to come here there now. Yeah man, just keep me number man. Save me number and no lose me number again cause almost 2 years now me here chat for you say me and your friend girl. How you have to do that? Well, me understand that part there still. Anyway, me go cool my head and go up on the road, so you know a little more. Yeah, me go check up on Mama Jai and see if nothing if he alright now, how we go on and so off. Yeah, alright.
Who is it? Yeah.
alright?
No, sir, come see us and tell me the whole story here. The way you look nice. The 3 years ago, if I'm young, put on a little weight too. So how life?
We good over there, my God, go over there and everything work out good.
And you finish college and everything.
Yeah, what Kiki then?
Boy, child, sit down. Sit down on the bed, mama. Let me get the whole story. The whole poison me. My own daughter try to poison me after I treat the girl so good. She the be embarrassed now.
And me a dear treat so. I tell her, you know, I tell her say one way treat like that go do something to you and I do one. I can't believe she do that though, cause all the way do fear and the way treat her. I don't expect her if you come do this. What exactly cause her if you even think the way they?
Why we used to live down at Miss Brown's shop. I used to live upstairs. I hear me now. True, me tell her say she can't deal with him. Me tell her say no. She can't date the guy there. She get upset and me don't know the whole plan with she and the guy. Me not gonna say the guy involved, but probably his. I don't know, I can't prove it. But because me tell her me can't date the guy, the girl try for poison me, bring drink, come give me and put poison. But thank God for Jesus, I'm alive. Thank God for his grace.
I can't believe say Kiki would have poison mama after everything. But anyways, me carry something for her. Me carry good on my station. Go get her and look for you.
Very sorry for the way I treat you. You understand? And I hope you can find it in your heart to forgive me. Please forgive me. Alright?
Mommy, I forgive you because you're good for forgive people. You're not good for really carry things in your heart. So I forgive you for everything you do. So go check on Kiki, you know.
No matter what, I'm still your sister and she's still my mother. And I have to forgive her. So, let's go. I hope visiting our son.
If a boy go poison mother, I'm in jail and the boy in jail. And if you come look for me.
Kiki. What, me alright? Me hear what happened?
Come for me.
No, I'll check to see if they can be alone. If they can be alone, we can help. Me hear what happened? If you want to talk to me, you can tell me everything what happened. But regardless of everything what happened, if I get it. They might be, yeah, get something to eat and everything.
Then I give you no good food.
What am I going to eat?
The base, they steal the food and they have to steal the stuff.
Apart from food, they make you sleep too? May I say me can be in you? When you carry mama with me to him, I'm go for your hair.
What do you mean by bring mommy?
Yeah, mommy.
Mommy, I think
Yeah,
mommy.
Yeah,
See me mommy?
Yeah. No, on your door, she alright. I'm gonna look for her today and she
Mommy,
tell me
my
Yeah.
mommy, push me out. Miss
Yes.
Jai, mommy.
Yes. She come to talk to you. Now I'll go for your hair. See how you
Hold your head up, man. You're embarrassed, eh? You must embarrass. After me treat you so good, me give you everything. You never in need of nothing. Nothing, not even a penny. Everything me work hard for me spend it on you. And look how me treat your sister and look who. Huh? Look who. Hold your head up and me and talk to you, enough for shame. You're a wicked picnic. She always tell me say you're gonna be the bad one and me never listen
Mommy,
to her.
sorry, mommy.
Kiki, honestly, me forgive you. Because the Bible says we must forgive 7 times 7. And I forgive you, but I never know you that turn out. So look how much money I spend on you. I say you got a good college. But because they look at Chigga football down the lane, you want there with him. And me tell you, so not there with him. You try to kill your own mother, Kiki. You feel rotten in you. I forgive you still, you know, but you must rotten in you. Believe me.
I'm not gonna make you see.
Look at her. Look how she come out good. Huh? She'll get married. Right, look on her finger. Deacon Brown's son marry her and make her to be a decent wife. And look on you. Look how you turn out in a prison, Kiki. Prison. Prison, Kiki. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. No, sir. Me can't believe you that turn out like this. But you know, I'm going to pray for you. I'm going to pray for you, Kiki. You can't even look in my face.
So you reach to the end of that, you know what I mean, give thanks, you know what I mean, for the support, take what you take and go do what you do. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So, there's a lot of things there to accomplish, you know what I mean? So, we are putting the work, the necessary move, you know, easy, but we are doing it. You know what I mean? So, give thanks to all of the donors them who donate people them who donate to make the thing move forward, you know what I mean? You take what you take and go do what you do. Give thanks to people that who promise to and never turn up. You know what I mean? Maybe one day they will. You know what I mean? Big up yourself. You know what I mean? Hope is better than no. Promises are comfort to a fool, but sometimes a fool needs to have the yeah, man. So, I want you to understand what I say now. So, we have some building and go on. You know what I mean? We are trying to build a little place to cook some food. That means we can sell some food. Not me directly, but I'm going to try to get 2 good chefs. You know what I mean? On the front page. I make them cook some food, have a little restaurant in there. So that's the project for this year. You know what I mean? We want to have a little extra income because some of the time asking it get overwhelming, you know what I mean? But if we have it, we don't have to ask. So we are trying to see if we can build something so we can actually have it. We are turning over one extra cash, that means that we can do extra stuff. We miss going out on the road and going different places because the first week we buy, get a problem. You know what I mean? We don't fix it yet. But second vehicle, you can't go place but you can't hold enough somebody. You know what I mean? Like the first vehicle them couldn't carry more people, so we look forward to in the future to get back on vehicle can carry enough people like maybe one the little bus them, I call him Vaxi. So yeah. So for now we just go and do it though. So we soon run out back on the road, me and Papa and the whole network, you know what I mean, with a touch road. And go and start some things shortly. But the year just start, so we take the time going into the years. That's why I go and travel out of the country in another year or two. So I don't know yet. What's the one go on? Canada or the Caribbean or America, we don't know. We are from somewhere though, one at a time them. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so that. So give thanks to all of the people them from that time till this time, you know what I mean? Perkins, big up yourself the same way, you know what I mean? Big up all of the sponsors them from that time. I'll go through some name and now. Hold up a name, you know. So, you know where you go. Damien, big up yourself for a long time, you know what I mean? Original. Yeah man, that man just start the thing from that time till this time. Then we go to countless of people. Big up to the lady who give me the loan by the van, CM Spade. Now call on him. Big up yourself, run it down to the ground. You know what I mean? Yeah man, big up to Empress G. Go back to Empress G TV because she's one of the main support from that time too. You know what I mean? She not left you out none at all. With now words of and all encouragement and every little thing you encourage her. Continue the fight for you. You have to do it. You know what I mean? So give thanks here still. Big up to everybody in the street. We see me from time to time. Want a picture, encouragement to continue the work. So they might give you the encouragement so we are pushing it. All the money now make us still do it. You know what I mean? So big up Jules in Canada. You know, you cool over the moment. Yeah man. So you go, you know what I mean? Continue to do it. You know, you're crushing it, Jules. Let's go. Yeah man, what about people man did there from the sponsors them, media vibes from that time, Richard Brown Films on way over the things that we used to do from that time there, Alisa Sky, sponsor same way, big up to everybody like that, big up to who do ads with the same way. This is just a new year, big up to everybody, you know what I mean? Perkins, big up yourself, bunny down to the ground, you know what I mean? Big up to Miss Williams, big up yourself, you know what I mean? Bunny down to the ground. You take what you take and you go do what you do, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Glory be to the Most High. So we're there in nice sunshine here, and the best we can do. As you can see, we're moving up and do something else. So we can lock off the access to growing at the back. It's gonna be like one little room here, so maybe we can get one little bedroom here. So I'm gonna show you how to get bedroom or one studio. Maybe see what go on. You know what I mean? So we can actually bar off here so that means say you know take so much. We don't want people can walk in and jam with studio, so more you have to come through somewhere we can lock on them. You know what I mean? We get 2 dogs put on the back. We'll get jammy dog. Because them kill jammy puss. Alright, so we'll get jammy dog here now. Brave and bold. Yeah man, so we'll go get all part of the things on the pipeline. So we have more new movie on the way. You know what I mean? We're still looking for new actresses same way. Not only for this channel but even for Richard Brown films. You know what I mean? Yeah, Papa I want new actors too, so what the power work is there to do? What the power work. But anyway, the movie done. Lots of like it. We are doing the best we can do. Yeah, we get one brethren from overseas, so them go get the mic. Send if block out some of the nice them. You know what I mean? So give thanks to that too, you know what I mean? That would make sense. So we go try to get the light. And we want 2 more little camera. Because I venture now on new fields. You know, I want to look at the camera them. But I soon see what I go on and make you know what I go on. Let's go.